My name is Nicole Kennard. I am a talent acquisition supervisor for Providence and also serve PAC Medical Center. And my experience with WorkSource is it's all about making connections, and their ability to connect outside candidates to the employers is just fantastic. And we have to do everything we can, and I love that WorkSource is about that mission as well.
Hi, I'm Rob Reeves with Exotic Metals Forming Company. We are an aerospace manufacturing company based in Kent, Washington. We've had a great experience today here at the WorkSource Job Fair. Found lots of highly qualified military veterans and some of their spouses. So we're looking forward to following up with some of these candidates and filling some of our open jobs.
I'm Tyler with the Northwest Center. I'm a recruiter, and we're fortunate enough that our Renton facility is right across the street from the Renton WorkSource, and we've had folks who work at WorkSource recommend us, and their clients walk actually right across the street to our office who had skills that translated well to positions that we have had open, which has been great. We've had some great candidates and hires come directly from their office. So thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Yvonne. I am a Human Resources Administrative Assistant for Hilton Worldwide. I work at the DoubleTree Seattle Airport Hotel as well as the Hilton Seattle Airport Hotel. Currently today we had a nice mix of veterans. It was great working with WorkSource today, attending this event. We came up and met a bunch of wonderful veterans today. Next month we actually are partnering with WorkSource over at the Hilton Seattle Airport Hotel. We'll be having an event for our youth. So we'll be working with WorkSource for an event hiring youth ages 16 to 24. So come down and join us over at the Hilton Seattle Airport next month on September 21st.
All right, my name is Brandon Davis. I am the Manager of Talent Acquisitions for the Pacific Northwest for PSAV. Basically do a lot of in-house audio-visual for various hotels and convention centers. My experience with WorkSource has been great. Worked a couple of events. Everything has actually been great. We've gotten a lot of good hires out of it. Sales managers, technicians, basically at all levels, including leadership. So everything's been great. Keep up the great work and keep sending us great candidates.
Hi, my name is Chrissy. I'm a recruiter with ABM, and my experience with WorkSource itself has been amazing. I love it.
Hi, my name is Wendy Young, and I'm a talent acquisition manager for Recology in Seattle, and I recruit for many different positions in Seattle, and I've worked with the Auburn WorkSource as well as other local WorkSources and South Seattle Community College WorkSource. And they've been a great resource for me for a lot of entry-level positions as well as specific positions when it comes to the warehouse and drivers and sorters. So they've been very helpful, they've been a great resource, and they're a really great partnership definitely for Recology.
I'm Derek Bender with the Port of Seattle, a senior employment representative. My experience with WorkSource has been a fantastic partnership and relationship. Not only have they provided us access to a wide variety of very skilled and qualified candidates through their job fairs and career fairs, but also we've been at the table with many of their members as well when talking about ways to engage the community and provide access to more employment opportunities. And we've had the opportunity to talk about what the Port's about and where those types of folks who maybe are interested in our types of jobs can better understand what it is that we're looking for in future opportunities for them. So that part has been fantastic. Additionally, I would say that we've had a great relationship in making sure that we're able to post our jobs with WorkSource, and we always have folks and representatives who are willing to reach out to us to say what it is that they can do to make sure that we're getting the right candidates for our jobs. So it's been a wonderful partnership and relationship, and I'm looking forward to continuing that in the future.